I got myself a squid. I reckon he's well enough hooked.
That other little bucket, he's in his tentacle.
Yeah. Yeah, you bastard. Got him!
Beautiful. Now let him ink out.
Let's see, Frank. Woohoo, well caught.
That's an arrow squid. See that?
Oh, it's lovely.
Undesirable species.
What is it?
That's the St. Peter on the top.
Yeah. Yeah, not what we're after. Self-releasing, that's what we like.
Yeah.
Pretty useless.
Good boy.
Ooh. Yep. That's on fish, and I've jagged him in the head.
Oh, you have to.
Hey, I don't care how I catch him. Now that's a good whiting.
40.
45.
Nice crack.
Parrotfish king. Flatty. That was followed up by a leather jacket too. Oh dear. Oh. I don't think he's 30.
Yeah, it's a keeper, baby. Ha! In your face,
Well,
everyone.
it's only just a keeper, isn't it?
Oh no, it's quite a nice keeper.
Oh, well done, Helen. Good flathead.
Don't film me.
I'm not filming you, I'm filming the fish. Come on, hold it up so we can all see it. See your embarrassment. Yeah, there we
The
go.
humiliation.
Absolutely.
Shut up.
You want this, Mark?
Yeah. Mum will have them. All you got to do is cut the head off and peel them, don't you?
Yep. Well, perfect conditions today, but the fish just didn't want to play. So,
Maybe a couple.
cup of tea and some cake, I reckon. Looks like we've got some schools of fish working on the surface. There's one out there, and there's one right here in front of us. Hard to tell exactly what they are. We can see fish from this patch going under the boat, and they are big fish. Of course, we don't have any gear, do we?
Unless we had lures, and I haven't even got any lures anyway.
Pick this up on the camera, but we reckon they're kingfish.
They're decent size.
Yeah. Bit of a mixed bag today. Only the one whiting, only the one legal flathead, a couple of fat leather jackets, and a torpedo squid. Beautiful conditions out there, but we just couldn't find the fish.
Several days later.
Nice one, Helen. About 44. And as usual, I'm left to catch all the rubbish. Oh dear. St. Peter on the top and a parrotfish on the bottom. Double of flatties. Yeah. Oh, you don't see that every day. Look at that. Both rubbish, but interesting. Blue throat parrotfish. Oh, look at that. Another rockfish.
Another rocker.
Shall we move? Because I'll come up.
Yeah, I think so. I want to catch these things. What are leather jackets? Look at them.
Yeah.
That's a better one.
Oh yeah. Ooh, that.
Another little oceanic leather jacket.
We're out of here.
Snapper.
Snapper.
Yep. unfortunately, we can't keep him. And that's a nice snapper.
Ah, look, Frank.
Yes, I've got it. Yep.
Filming.
See, it's on that fresh flathead. Looks like we found a snapper patch, but unfortunately, no good.
You get in. I've got another one. Even keep them.
No, annoying, isn't it?
No?
They're too small anyway. They've got to be 38.
Well, combined together, they're more than.
I think we should move, Mark. We can't do anything with these. Another parrotfish. Oh, I love these fish. They're just so much fun. Well done, Helen. That's excellent.
So many double headers and not the right ones.
All the stuff they spat out. I'm sorry. Are they not the sort of fish you want?
No, Frankie.
It's another snapper. We moved 500 metres to get away from these.
Oh, nice size.
Yeah. Beautiful colours on them, isn't there? Yeah.
It's something.
Oh, he's been picking off all our baits. Another one.
Oh, he's got the sinker down his throat.
Can you eat them? No. Oh, what a shame. He's nice.
How the hell did that happen? Get him in the boat, Mark,
He's got the sinker.
before you lose him. That's a big size Sergeant Baker.
He's bitten your hook off and gone
No,
to
he hasn't.
sinker.
No, the sinker's gone and he's got the other hook in his throat.
Hold him up for us, Mark. He's a beauty. There's a fair set of choppers on that. Nice one. Sergeant Baker. Another snapper. How many times do we have to move to get away from these things? Another parrotfish.